Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to change the sticky header background color, menu color and icon color in the WoodMart theme. In WoodMart theme, when you use header overlap or you can switch to another background color, but the sticky add to cart color not changed in the header builder. So that is why I have created this video to change this sticky add to cart header color. So in this case, enable the make it overlap and change the header row background. In this case, you can see text is not visible on sticky header. So in WoodMart theme, there is no direct option to change the sticky header background colors and menu colors. So in this case, you need to add custom CSS code for this. Here you can see this is the custom CSS code. You can add it in theme setting custom CSS to change the sticky header background color, menu color and icons color. You can use this code on your site and change the background colors and menu colors and icon colors as per your requirements. Here you can see. So for the sticky logo color, you need to add a separate sticky header in different color in the logo settings. So here you can see the sticky header background color is working fine. If you add any background color in the row, for example like black, then save the header and disable make it overlap and then save the header, go to the website and refresh the page. Here you can see the black background is added, but on sticky header background the black is visible, but I don't want it to black. If you want to change it to different color, you need to use this custom CSS code. And here you can see you can use this custom CSS code in theme setting custom CSS to make these changes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.